Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the first year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, that is the 7th chapter, commencement of business, and this is the second session of the chapter. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the article of association. Okay, article of association. It can also be abbreviated as AOA, article of association. So what is this? Let us see. The rules and regulations framed for the internal management of the company, which are set out in the document, is named as article of association. So the rules and regulations which are required for the internal management of the company, for the internal purpose of the company, for the internal purpose of the company, which are set out in a document, which are written in a document, and that document is named as article of association. So in the article of association, the rules and regulations of internal management of the company are clearly defined. What should the company have to be do and what the company should not have to be do. That is clearly stated in article of association. It also helps in achieving the objectives of specified in memorandum of association. So it will be help in achieving the objectives which are specified in memorandum of association. Whatever the objectives, whatever the clauses we have defined in the memorandum of association, in order to achieve that, the internal rules and regulations of the management is very important to achieve the objectives of memorandum of association. Let us move on to the definition of article of association. Article of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company law, or these act including so far as they apply to the company, the regulations contained as the cause may be in table A to schedule I of the act. So what they have given here, memorandum of association of a company as originally framed. If it is originally framed, the document, the internal rules and regulations of the company that are originally framed, are there can be change. Okay, there can be change from time to time according to the changes in the external environment. According to the changes in the external environment, the document article of association can be changed from time to time, okay, of any previous company's law, according to any previous company's law. Okay, previously we have Indian Companies Act 1956. Now it is changed to 2013. So in 1956 there are certain different rules, and in 2013 there are certain rules. At that time it is necessary to change the or to alter the document of article of association. So that's why he is saying that alter from time to time in pursuance of any previous company law, means in the presence of any company, previous company law, or these act including so far as applied to the company. So in 1956 some other rules are applied to the company, but in 2013 some other rules are applied to the company. So they have to be continually changed. The regulations contained as the cause may be in table A to schedule 1 of the act. So this is according to the act, according to the Indian Company Act 2013, section 2 subsection 5, section 2 subsection 5. According to that, there is certain schedules and table A to schedule I of the act. In that there will be certain types of regulations that have to be contained in the document of Memorandum of Association. Let us see some of the contents of Article of Association. What the Article of Association contains? Actually what it contains? It contains the 14 things. ఓకే ఎగ్జామ్లో 14 ఉన్నాయని తగ్గించి రాయకండి, 14కి 14 రాయాల్సిందే, మ్యాండేటరీ. ఇంకొకటి మెమొరండమ్ ఆఫ్ అసోసియేషన్లో క్లాసెస్ 6 ఉన్నాయి, నేను 5 రాస్తానంటే కుదరదు, 6కి 6 చదవాల్సిందే, ఇక్కడ 14కి 14 చదవాల్సిందే. ఓకే, యూ కాంట్ క్విట్ ఎనీథింగ్. See, the amount of share capital issued, okay, the amount of share capital issued, type of shares, number of shares, calls on shares, rights and privileges of different categories of shareholders must be mentioned in Memorandum of Association. So what he is saying, the amount of share capital, okay, for example the amount of share capital, for example the amount of share capital, that is rupees 10 lakhs rupees. The amount of share capital is 10 lakhs rupees, that is required. Okay, types of shares. So here we have two types of shares. One is equity share and another one is preference shares. Okay, equity shares and preference shares. Shares are classified in two categories. Number of shares, how many equity shares you are issuing, number of equity shares and number of preference shares, how many preference shares you are issuing. Okay, call on shares, how much amount. Call on shares means, call on shares, it means that how much amount you are receiving from that shares, how much amount receiving from the shares, amount receiving from the shares. Okay, and privileges of different categories of shareholders must be mentioned in Article of Association. So different types of shareholders are there. Who are holding the equity shares? They are called as equity shareholders. They are called as equity shareholders. They are called as equity shareholders. And who are holding the preference shares? They are called as preference shareholders. Preference shareholders. Again, these preference shareholders are classified into two categories: convertible preference shares, non-convertible preference shares. Okay, convertible preference shares and non-convertible preference shares. Non-convertible preference shares. So this I will explain you in the next chapter. We have the different types of shares. There I will explain you in detail. Okay, yes. Procedure for transfer or forfeiture of shares. So procedure for the transferring of shares and forfeitures means losing the share without any compensation. Okay, you are losing something without getting any compensation, that is known as forfeiture. Okay, so procedures, what are the procedures for transferring the shares and for forfeiting the shares? What are the procedures are there? That also mentioned in the Article of Association. Procedure for the issue of debentures and stocks. Okay, not only the company will issue the shares, the company will issue debentures also. In order to raise the capital, the company will issue debentures and stock also. Okay, debentures and stock also it will issue in order to raise the capital. In order to raise the capital from the stock market, it will issue debentures and stock. Powers to alter as well as reduce the share capital and its procedure for alternation. So alter means change. Okay, in order to make changes as well as reduce the share capital, the procedure for the reducing of the share capital, whatever the powers are there to reduce the share capital, and procedure for alternation. while making certain alterations in the rules, regulations, or in any changes in the capital, there will be certain type of procedure. Then what will be that procedure? That have to be clearly mentioned in the article of association. The appointment of the directors, their power, duties and remuneration. Remuneration means salary. Okay, remuneration means salary to the directors. Okay, the appointment of the directors, how many directors we are appointing, okay, whatever the powers the directors will be have, and what the duties they have to perform, and what is the salary given to those directors. The appointment of the managing directors, how many managing directors are appointing. Provisions regarding conducting the general meetings, how many general meetings should be conducted in a year. In 1 year, how many general meetings have to be conducted. Okay, and afterwards special meetings. Special meetings means for special purpose, for taking certain types of decisions. For that purpose they will conduct some special meetings. Voting proxies means in case any one member is not able to present for the voting. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ ఒక వ్యక్తి ఓటింగ్ జరిగే టైంకి రాలేకపోతే ప్రాక్సీస్ అంటే అతని రీప్రజెంటేటివ్, అతను కాకుండా అతని ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్ కావచ్చు, లేదా అతని అడ్వకేట్ కావచ్చు, వాళ్ళు వచ్చి వాళ్ళు ఓట్ వేసే రైట్, అవన్నీ దేంట్లో ఉంటాయంటే ఆర్టికల్ ఆఫ్ అసోసియేషన్, రిజల్యూషన్, ద closing of the business, that are completely resolutions that are completely mentioned in the article of association. Provisions related to the dividends and reserves. Reserves means if the company get the profit, okay, if the, wait a second, see, equity shareholders, preference shareholders, these both two shareholders receive the returns. షేర్స్ కొన్నందుకు వీళ్ళకు వచ్చే రిటర్న్స్ని ఏమంటామంటే, వీళ్ళకు మంత్లీ ఇచ్చే రిటర్న్స్ని ఏమంటామంటే డివిడెంట్ అంటాం. ఏమంటాం? డివిడెంట్ అంటాం. ఓకే, మంత్లీ వీళ్ళకి ఇచ్చే అమౌంట్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని డివిడెంట్స్ అంటాం. మరి రిజర్వ్స్ అంటే ఏంటిది మేడం అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ గాట్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ ఆఫ్ 90,000 రూపీస్ ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది. సో దీంట్లో నుంచి డివిడెంట్స్ ఈక్విటీ షేర్ హోల్డర్స్, ప్రిఫరెన్స్ షేర్ హోల్డర్స్కి ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ షేర్ హోల్డర్స్కి డివిడెంట్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ సెకండ్ ఈక్విటీ షేర్ హోల్డర్స్ విల్ టేక్ ద డివిడెంట్. If they if we are giving dividend of 45,000 rupees, then how much amount will be remain? More 45,000 rupees will be remain. In that the company what they will do means they will take 20,000 as a reserve, means they will take this 20,000 as a savings. Okay, they use it as a saving. When the time is arises, when the need is arises, at that time they use these savings. Okay, at that time they will use these savings for the purpose of the development of the business. Okay, rules for preliminary contracts. Preliminary contracts means in order to making contract with the other parties, whatever the rules are required, that should be clearly mentioned. Provision regarding the common seal. Common seal means a round stamp will be there. A company is not a natural person. Yes, it is an artificial person. So it can't make the sign. Adi sign cheyaledu kabatti there is a common seal that is applied on the papers. Okay, whatever the company related documents are there, on that common seal will be placed. Preparation of accounts. The accounts have to be prepared and audit has to be done for those accounts. Audit means checking of accounts. And methods of appropriation of profit, and they have to whatever the methods they are going to use in order to appropriation means increase or maximization. Okay, in order to increase the profit, whatever the methods they are going to use, that also clearly mentioned. Next, maintenance of bank account. The company should have to maintain the bank account, and in which bank they have the account, the passbook details that should also be mentioned according to article of association. Procedure for the winding up of the company. While closing the company, winding up means closing or ending the company, what will be the legal procedure while winding the company? Other rules and regulations of the company are completely mentioned in the article of association. So this is about the article of association. So with the article of association, we can achieve the objectives of memorandum of association. Whereas memorandum is the character or foundation of the company, here the article of association, it indicates the rules and regulations of internal management of the company. Both are different. Okay, so in the next session we will go for the differences between article of association and memorandum of association.